is there any possibility that he can sue for perjury if the whole thing is maliciously done?
He can say what now?
That he can sue for perjury if the whole thing has been done maliciously. Because the reality is, I know, because I've been through this before.
I hear you.
And it was completely fabricated.
I hear you.
It cost me $20,000.
I hear you.
And this was crap.
Yeah.
And I was being nice to the person. I paid my own bills.
Understood.
But the reality was, in retrospect right now, I would have sought for attorney fees, everything else.
Right.
And then I could have forgiven them.
Yeah.
But the thing is that if what happens here is, and I mean, I don't know who you are. My name is Jeff Morgan.
Sure. I work for the DA's office. We file protective orders on behalf of a number of women who go through a particular agency here, and then we file them on their behalf.
Right. No, I understand that. How many protective orders do you file on behalf of men?
Not many.
How about the 2503, the interference with child custody?
Of course.
How often do you?
I don't work on those,
gotcha.
but I take your point.
Yeah. Because I know.
Yeah.
And I know.
Yeah.
I've sat in his office and
Sure.
talked with them both.
Yeah.
And I mean, I know last year or a year before, something like
Yep.
that.
Yep.
But I also know too, when I went to interview about a year and a half ago,
Yeah.
he did not want to talk to me. He said, "Are you going to be nice to me?" Because I was asking about 2503 goes both ways.
Right.
And protective orders really should go both ways.
Right.
The reality is our courts right now are biased toward women, usually, not always.
I hear you.
Because I know that there's a female veteran who's I've come to the court for on behalf of her. She served in Afghanistan. She was part of the team that took care of Dan Crenshaw in theater, caring for babies. And I've seen what's taking place to her and our friend appalled.
Wow.
So, I mean, I guess, and I appreciate, I don't know who you are again, I appreciate your Jeff Morgan. You'll probably hear my name. Come up every so often.
Okay. What were you interviewing for? Are you with a journalist? Or?
Well, I do work with Dad Talk Today. And I've also worked with a number of other different organizations and agencies.
Sure.
Primarily what I've done is, because I've seen the way the family courts operate, and I do not think that most people have constitutional protections in the family courts. I think that they're kind of like, there's a lot of things, okay, everything's discretion, everything's this, and it's very unjust. And I think that, you know, down at the GOP convention, I'm sorry, I'll get back to what you're saying here. But at the GOP convention, I got the statute changed the platform, and the platform climate change about the no-fault divorce issue.
Oh, yeah.
Because no-fault divorce is often forced divorce, and it's changed right now so that we oppose unilateral no-fault divorce.
Okay.
It's divorce on demand.
Right.
And what happens then,
Right.
at that point, a person who may have been a very good husband or wife loses often half their property, loses 100% access to their kids, often is in a place where, as a little extra assurance, we file a protective order or a restraining order. And you know that, you've seen this, I'm sure.
I'm hearing you.
So, the injustice begins, and this is what Lenin did back in Bolshevik Russia. He used the marriage and divorce code to actually turn Bolshevik Russia to make it more susceptible to communism, socialism, communism. We're destroying our families. And my intent in doing this stuff is to say we need to fix our family courts. They're lawless. I've seen men and women excluded from their children's lives for years on end. You can't appeal it. An accusation.
Do you spend a fair amount of time in the Dallas Olympics?
I do.
I would guess you do.
Like with Jeff Younger's case, for example, with the safe check. Yeah, I was down there for every single day of that.
Right.
I mean, I do work full time. So
I'm not sure how. Man, sounds like you stay busy.
Well, I try to do other things because I think that this is the crucial issue in our society.
Sure.
But it's not the social issue, but it's the foundational issue of everything. Our tax structure, our dropout rates, you look at drug issues, you look at unwanted pregnancies, and everything is tied back to abortion.
Right.
And every single social malady is increased by not just a small percentage, but by a factor because of the destruction of the family, fatherlessness. And I've seen judges
I think you and I would agree on much.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. I'd like to talk with you further.
Yeah, we may do that.
Do you have a car? I don't have anything with me. I mean, I
do. I'm not sure how much. Well, obviously I work.
Right.
And
we can do it off the record or whatever.
We'll see. I may be a little reticent about that, but I'm enjoying the conversation.
So the other thing is, we'll be at that top. We'll be at CPAC. I don't know if you go to CPAC or not.
I'm familiar.
Yeah, but we'll be
Never
down
been.
there. We're going. There was a case just recently that maybe you've heard about it, David Henderson, the father who was not allowed to see his son who was dying.
I don't know it by name, but I think I'm familiar.
Yeah, we were involved with that case. We're doing another documentary on the whole thing. So we are. You should be hearing of us more.
Well, do this, Jeff. It is nice to meet you. I'm going to go work with another situation I had kind of similar. But
Anyway, I appreciate it so much.
Nice to talk with you. Thanks for being here. I appreciate your support again.
But yeah, absolutely.